a practice and case management software for attorneys to allow them to have a convenient way of utilizing SalesForce and all of its capabilities to manage clients, case information, contacts, calendaring, documentation, and even use automation in their law practice. Um, um, this is still using everything that's been provided by SalesForce out of the box with customization on the different objects. I would like to take it further to introduce a lot more automation for billing and automatic findings within cases, and then alarms and notifications for different due dates. So let's take this application for a round. Of course, this is competing with Time Matters, which is a very highly used application within the attorneys. And Time Matters, the most important information. I'm using the instead of using the iPhone, I'm using the simulator, so you can see this. Again, having contacts, access to the contacts, different accounts that are part of is very important information, and being able to generate notes, post, and then generate tags, log calls, and even calendar events at the contact level, definitely with SalesForce, helps with all these activities. Accounts, again, there's an account owner. In this case, this happens to be an attorney, and this different type of account that we already introduced, patent infringement, divorce, estate planning, and lots of different account configuration, which most of the small attorneys are really practicing all of these, and SalesForce really gives them this capability to, of course, with this application, to do this much more effectively and then rely on this. And for example, let's take it for an account Floyd versus Floyd, and let's introduce a call that takes place, for example, and talked about the upcoming court schedule. And relating to the case, submitting, call's been logged, and also generating a new task, the fact that and then reserving the specific activity happening in court regarding this, logging it within SalesForce, and then showing it within your task list, the fact it's happening. Unfortunately, within 2 days, this is how far I could go, but I really think there's a huge potential for small to medium law firms taking advantage of this, focusing on the chatter. I do know a few attorneys in the Los Angeles area who I really think this application would help them go pretty far, so I'm pretty excited over this. Thank you for listening.